You for being here for the post observation. So it's been so nice to just kind of get to know you in terms of like your profession, your background, but also to be able to come into the classroom and observe your lesson. It was a pleasure to be there and I learned a lot. I know that this is a class that you had said that you wanted me to come into specifically because it was one of your more challenging classes. They seem to be following behavioral expectations, and we will review the footage just so that you can go ahead and see. And then I'll be pointing out some things here and there.
It'll be nice to see, not from my own perspective, but from your perspective, what was going on.
This is
Right?
you
The
doing
zero
your
of the
lesson
movement
now.
line is here. I'm going to look for 75 degrees from that zero. And 75 degrees is down here. Now, 75 degrees plus 105 degrees is 180. So 105 degrees and 75 degrees are related to each other. They're on the same part of the protractor. Eliseo, why are we using the compass again?
That's the student that I actually focused on.
Really?
Yes. And you'll see why I focused on him specifically.
He's actually quite capable. It's just he really struggles with focusing, especially when he's near his friends.
Now, connect your dots. Connect those dots. These dots. The dot we started with and the dots you just made. Connect those dots.
What I observed is that the more they were, like the people in the front were following along a little bit more as they got further
be
back.
clear.
They
The
were a
angle
little
we
bit more
just made
chatty.
From
Yes.
here
Which is
to
why I
here
try to
was
circulate,
our
but it's pretty
75
hard when
degrees.
like you give directions and it should
And
take them like a couple
remember,
seconds,
Yeah.
The
and then you
other
have to
degrees
go
that
back.
goes with 75 to make 180 was
I think
how
I
much?
might need to move the DocuCam to the back of the room.
Oh yeah,
next-
did notice that, like these kiddos, and maybe it's groups too, right? But like these kiddos, they were working together. Even here, this table right here, right in front of me, that I was with, even though I had the camera and I was like pretty distracting, they were working through.
These groups, like some of them work well together and then some don't, and so it's really a toss-up between what kind of group am I going to get today. And the kids have actually learned to like it because
Okay.
some days they get to be with their friends and some days they don't, and
Okay.
so they kind of like the randomness of it.
Okay, that sounds good.
How much from 75 to 180? How much from 75 to 180? It's 105. Guess what this angle right here is then? If we know that this is a straight line, we just need the opposite amount is 105 degrees.
And I like how they're dialoguing with each other. And you're explaining them, but they're trying to process it and make sense for them.
All right. Are we ready for the next step? Can I get a thumbs up when you're ready for the next step?
That's a
You've made
temperature
your
check that
75
you did.
degree line. Has everyone done that? Thank you, Beverly, for the confirmation. Anyone else done drawing that so I know I can move on? Thank you, guys. Table 9, are we done?
No.
Okay. I'm done. So again, 75 degrees is acute. It should look smaller than 90 degrees. Looking pretty good. All right. Now, your second step is to pick a point on one of your lines. So for me, I'm going to pick, I don't know, way out here. I'm going to pick that point. You could pick a point on this line. You could pick a point closer to the other point. It doesn't really matter as long as you pick a point on either side.
I wish I did more to emphasize the picking any point. And like I wish that I had multiple chances of showing them that you're gonna make the same thing no matter where you put your point.
The data, you'll see that they kind of struggled with liberty.
Mm-hmm.